Alright, objective for this video. Eat all 5 of these motherfuckers. I can eat or drink as much as I want. Doesn't matter how I get there. Just gotta eat all 5 of these. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. It's a lot bigger than I expected. This thing looks like death. I'm supposed to eat this? Look at this. It's not that bad.
I'm a little nervous. Show your tongue.
Oh god. If you just drink plain old milk, you're a fucking weirdo. Oh god. Oh my god.
Bro, don't fucking yap. Oh no.
Number 2. Let's do this shit. Go back. Number 3. Yeah! I think you gotta take me to the hospital. Number 4. I'm like going from sweating really badly to then I'm just like my whole body is ice cold. Come on, we got 2 more. 2 more, baby. Last one. This is the last of it. I did it. I did it. Oh, I got it in my eye, dude. Holy shit. Oh, I touched my eye. Holy shit, this burns. You know, wasn't that bad. It's not funny, Weech. After we wrapped things up, ran to the bathroom, thought I had a yak, then I ended up shitting my brains out, and then I threw up after. When I threw up in the toilet, went back in my face. Now my face is fucking burning right now. If you like this video, subscribe. There's more on the way. Dude, I'm not okay.